Hi everybody, my name is Steve Hassinger. I'm the Career Services Director here at Central Penn College.
And my name's Melissa Mahoney. I'm the Director of Admissions, and we're here to talk to you today about an event that we're holding next Thursday, July 26th at 5:30 p.m. This event is a graduate school workshop designed to assist individuals who are considering going back for a graduate degree.
Some of the topics we're going to cover during this workshop include: why should I choose to attend graduate school? What modality might be best for me? Do I need a totally online program? Do I want to be in the classroom? Do I want a combination of the two? What's a personal goal statement, and how would I go about writing one? And how am I going to balance it all? I've got work, I've got job, or I've got family, and school. If you already hold a bachelor's degree or you're currently working on your undergraduate degree, this is a workshop that you won't want to miss.
We'll also take a moment during the workshop to talk to you a little bit about the organizational leadership degree that we offer here at Central Penn College. We'll talk to you about the admissions application process, and we're also going to share a little bit of information about a $2,000 scholarship that we're offering to our fall cohort students.
If you'd like to learn more and register for this event, you can reach out to me via phone at 717-728-2262, email me at stevehassinger@CentralPenn.edu, or go to our website to register at CentralPenn.edu/gradwork.
Again, the event will be held Thursday, July 26th, 5:30 p.m., and we hope to see you there.